Hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing very well, and in this tutorial video what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can set up TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is the newest innovation by TikTok where you can make purchases directly from the TikTok application, and this does eliminate the previous TikTok storefront, which was in partnership with Shopify. That partnership has come to a close, and now TikTok Shop is taking its place. It is currently available in 8 regions around the world. As far as I'm aware, those include the Americas, mainly the United States, parts of Europe such as the United Kingdom, and certain parts of East and Southeast Asia, such as Indonesia and similar countries in the region. And yeah, it is an in-app solution for shopping. As you can see here, I have an article open. Since TikTok Shop is not available in my region, so I need to use a article to explain this. I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, the way you set it up, you access it through the app, as you can see here. That is what I said earlier. And the way you set up TikTok Shop is, first and foremost, you need to go to shop.tiktok.com. You can do this either through your mobile phone, through the PC, it doesn't really matter. Then you need to select if you're a seller, creator, partner, or affiliate. This is needed so that they know how to promote you and which functions to give you. You need to select the region in which you're selling. You need to specify where your items are available. Then you need to be logged into your TikTok account or create a new TikTok Shop profile where you select register as merchant. You'll be required to scan an identity document since you are liable for all your products and all your transactions. And once you've done that, you need to review and confirm the information if you've entered it, and then click submit. And your application will be reviewed by TikTok, through which after certain amount of time, your application should be approved, and you will be a official part in the TikTok Shop. But yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.